Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran, wa iz ghadawta min ahlika tubawwiyul mu'minina maqa'ida lil-qital, wallahu sami'un alim. Translation: and remember when you left your home early morning to assign the believers at their positions for the battle, and Allah was hearing and knowing all. From here, the next 6 ruku are about the Battle of Uhud, and if we have a sketch of Battle of Uhud in our minds, we will be better able to understand these ayahs. 1 year before, in 2 Hijri, the Kuffar had the humiliating defeat from Muslims, and their 70 men were killed, and they came back in 3rd Hijri in the month of Shawwal to take revenge of that defeat. And it was the culture and mindset of Arabs at that time that they would come back to revenge, and that was the reason for this battle. When Prophet Muhammad found out about that, he had an intention to fight from within the city of Medina, but some of the companions, especially those who were younger and who accepted Islam after Ghazwa Badr, were very eager to fight and wanted to get martyred, and they said, "Oh Prophet Muhammad, let's go and fight in the open field." And Prophet Muhammad saw the zeal of these new companions, and he accepted their suggestion and he put his armor on. But then these companions felt that they have asked something to do for Prophet Muhammad that he was not going to do by himself. Then they said that, "Oh Prophet Muhammad, let's keep within the city." But Prophet Muhammad said that once a prophet puts the armor on, he cannot take it off before fighting. Kuffar were 3,000 and Muslims were 1,000, and among them 300 were led by the chief of hypocrites, Abdullah bin Ubay, and he was also suggesting that we should fight from within the city of Medina. And in the battleground, he left, taking his 300 men away, saying that since you did not listen to us, we will not put our lives in danger and we will leave. 2 tribes from Muslims, Banu Salma and Banu Harsa, also showed weakness, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made them stay and helped them. While planning for the battle, Prophet Muhammad situated 50 men of archer on a small mount called Jabal Ramat and ordered them not to leave their spot even if all Muslims are dead and the birds are eating their flesh. The fight started and 700 men fought against 3,000 men, and Muslims fought so bravely, especially Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Hamza and Hazrat Abu Dujana, that the Kuffar were defeated and they started to run away. When the Kuffar ran away, Muslims started to collect the booty of the war, and the archers on that Jabal Ramat also saw that Muslims have won and they left their position. Khalid bin Walid, who was fighting for Kuffar, saw that opportunity and he attacked the Muslims from the back, and those Kuffar who were fleeing away, they saw that Muslims are attacked from the back and they returned also, and the Muslims were sandwiched and they got defeated, and 70 of the Muslims were martyred, including Hazrat Hamza. Prophet Muhammad got injured as well, and the rumor was spread that Prophet Muhammad was martyred, and Muslims somehow gathered together and then they climbed on the mountain of Uhud to save their lives. Khalid bin Walid insisted Abu Sufyan to finish Muslims, but Allah put some fear in the heart of Abu Sufyan and he left to Makkah with the army. After Muslims got some strength back, they followed the Kuffar, but the Kuffar never returned and they left to Makkah. Earlier, when panic spread among the Muslims, some of the sincere Muslims also left the battleground. Inshallah, if we keep these details in our mind, we will be able to understand better the next 6 rukus of the surah. Oh Allah, help us understand Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.